issues, of course, and what we see with President Bola Tinubu's reforms in 2 years. Well, let's look at markets before we wrap up the show for today. The market is closing in positive. It looks like a good one for the last week, for the month of May. Mr. Dele Sanusi is an equities trader with Rostrum Investments and Securities Limited. Mr. Sanusi, good afternoon. Take us through this beautiful performance that we see today at the exchange.
Yes. You'll have seen that, for some day now, market have been doing, maybe let me say, fantastic, because even myself and a friend, we are just discussing, if you look at the 10 gainer for this year, is something their performer, the rate of increases really outweigh the loser year to date. So, and it's issue that our market, we have fundamental and the stock with good fundamental, they are really going upward. Like today now, we have the Airtel. Airtel stock have been on bid for so many days, but today they are able to register it up 10%, 10% high. NAPO also, that one declared a good, fantastic financial. It went up by 8%. And also you can go to see WAPO there, GTCO, and Okomu also went up. So it's just because, all these stocks, they have a good financial. And we still anticipate, more of this to happen before the end of the month.
All right, then. So if we were to looking forward at some of these performances that you've seen, we are moving to half year, and by next week we would be in the month of June. Do you see us staying with this positive despite other challenges? Investors' confidence is something I always like you to share your thoughts about.
Thank you. As I've said before, fundamental, if everything is no more there, what you rely on is the fundamental. So the stock that are with good fundamental, they are going to see them with sustaining, and they are going to weather they are going to withstand the weather. And also look at as I've said, that we are moving to the half year. By next week, we are going to start the half year. Now, the market is cyclic in nature. We are going to see half up and down cases. But I just want to tell you that they are the stock with good fundamentals. You are going to see them performing very well. Like the likelihood of Presco, Okomu, NACO, and because their results that they have declared, the first quarter, they are very good, which we believe that the second quarter also is going to be okay to sustain the present value they are trading.
Well, it's a good way to leave it. I must thank you so much. Well, we'll see how all of this plays out. But in 30 seconds, if you would say, is it a good time to put your money in the market? What would you have to say to those that still have those monies in the briefcase and they are bringing it? They want to bring it into the country. What would you have to say to them, Mr. at this time? Mr. Sanusi. Hello, Mr. Sanusi, are you there? Oh, I lost that call with Mr. Sanusi. I wanted to get his views with regards to the portfolio guys who wants to bring in the money.